Sweet Home Tahoe. This luxurious home is ideal for gatherings with an open floor plan, spacious living room with a gas fireplace, screened-in porch overlooking a beautiful, private backyard. Located in the gated community of Forest Lakes, the popular Richmond Floor Plan also provides a formal dining room/study, upstairs loft, laundry room with utility sink, and a 3-car garage. The master suite is highlighted by a decorative tray ceiling with rope lighting and a stunning master bath that includes double vanities, granite counters, garden tub with tile surround, separate shower, and his and hers walk-in closets. Plus, a partially boarded attic for additional storage. There's also something special cooking in the kitchen, which boasts a double oven, gorgeous tile and mosaic glass backsplash, stainless steel appliances, 40-inch upper cabinets, and granite